Welcome to TinyThinkers, an app developed using Thunkable to help children with autism learn important social skills in a fun, easy-to-use way.
We have a secure sign-in process using Firebase, which includes email verification for new accounts and secure storage of passwords. Once logged in, the About section outlines the steps to use the app, after which the user can start learning.
One of the most important components of the app is Firebase, which allows user authentication for signing into our app. We created a new Firebase app with the authentication component. Next, we go to the Firebase project settings and copy the API key into Thunkable's Firebase settings, along with the Firebase project ID TinyThinkers into the database URL field in the Thunkable app. Now that our app is connected to the Firebase, users can sign up into the TinyThinkers app and they get added into the Firebase database. Here you can see the list of signed up users on the admin console of our Firebase app.
We used a Firebase authentication template from Thunkable, which already had code blocks created and customized its look.
Here are all the screens of our app. The lessons are on the homepage, from where we can navigate to a lesson, watch videos related to that lesson, and then take the quiz. We highlighted the clicked option and the display a message.
Each option is a button, and we add an on-click action, where we change the color of the click button to a different color for highlighting. Then update the result label's text by calling a function to check if that is the correct answer. The function checkAnswer takes as input the question number and the option text. For each question, if the correct option is selected, we increase points and return the text, "This is correct." Otherwise, the return text is "Try again."
To track the user's progress, we save points into stored variables. These variables are initialized in the homepage, and every time the user answers a correct quiz question, the points get updated. And these changes are reflected in the profile page. We use stored variables so that they are retained across app launches profile blocks to design.
When we tested with young users, we found that they were not able to read all the questions by themselves and don't always have an adult with them.
So we added a text-to-speech feature to have the questions and answers be read out loud for them.
Matches the facial expression.
We showed our app to an early childhood specialist, and their feedback was that it would be something fun to use in the classroom for lessons on social skills.
In the future, we plan to reach out to more people from our school districts who are domain experts to get their opinion on usability and content.
An additional feature we'd like to add into our app is a parent community section with parent resources, as well as the option to connect with other parents. On the technical side, we'd like to connect an external data source to make it faster to implement or modify quizzes in the app.
For each skill, we plan to add higher levels of content that are more in-depth and focused on real-world application of the skill, and create a reward system where you can earn badges based on your mastery of the subject.